What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-107520-5. Please install the latest system software. So you are using the older version of your latest system software, the system software, and if your system update is available and you are not doing, so I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go, how to do it. Here's the settings, not the settings. Go to the here you get the notification about the latest system software. If you get the notification, you just directly from here to update. If you not get the notification, then you just go to the settings here and system, go to the system. Here we are at the system, and then system software update. Here you just check your system software is up to date or not. If not updated, you just update via using internet or USB cable. And then with the USB, not the USB cable, download update file automatically, you just turn on, and the install file automatically you must turn on. And you must check the storage first. Maybe sometimes storage is not enough, that's why you're getting the error and not going to update the system software. So you must update. If you must update system software, you must check the storage also. And in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 with the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database. It may take less than 1 minute. And after rebuilding database, you can just update the system software, and you can have a free space in your storage. That's how you can do it. So simply, if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box and catch you later.